Have you ever been in a conversation and suddenly you don't know where to look? You look left, then right, then down, and now it's awkward. And in that exact moment, you feel like they just lost interest in you. I've been there too, in class, talking to someone I liked, even with friends, and I thought the problem was confidence, but it wasn't. It was something much simpler, something nobody teaches you. And once I fixed it, people started taking me seriously without me saying more. So if you've ever felt awkward, ignored, or less confident in conversations, this might be the real reason, because what I'm about to show you can change how people see you instantly. Part 2. Why eye contact matters. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Eye contact is not just looking at someone. It's communication without words. When you avoid eye contact, people assume things about you. They think you're nervous, you're hiding something, or you're just not confident. But when you hold eye contact the right way, you don't need to prove anything. People just feel your presence. Example, think about your teacher or someone in your life who commands respect. They don't shout, they don't try too hard, they just look at you and you listen. And here's the crazy part, you can learn that in a few days. Part 3, what happens if you don't fix it? Now let's be honest, if your eye contact is weak, it affects everything. In school, you answer correctly, but still look unsure. With friends, you talk, but don't feel heard. And when you meet someone new, you might be interesting, but they won't feel it. And here's the worst part, it slowly destroys your confidence. Because every time you look away, your brain tells you, I'm not good enough. You're talking to someone you like. You break eye contact, and suddenly you feel smaller. That moment, that's not who you are. That's just a habit. And the good news, habits can be fixed faster than you think. Part 4, how to fix it. All right, let's fix this. 1, the 3-second rule. Most people either avoid eye contact or stare too long. Both are wrong. Here's what you do. Look into their eyes for about 3 seconds. Then look away naturally, not down, just to the side. This feels natural, not forced. But what if holding eye contact still feels awkward? Try this next one. 2, the triangle trick. Don't focus on just one eye. Move your gaze slowly, left eye to right eye to mouth. This makes your eye contact feel smooth, and strangely, more attractive. And the best part? No one notices you're doing it. 3, stop looking down. This one is simple, but powerful. Looking down equals low confidence. So if you need to break eye contact, look sideways, not down. It keeps your presence strong. And this next one, most people ignore, but it changes everything. 4, control your blinking. When you're nervous, you blink fast. That shows anxiety, so slow it down. Blink naturally, calmly. It instantly makes you look more relaxed, more in control. 5, practice in real life. Easy method. You don't need to practice in front of a mirror. Start small. When you're buying something, look at the cashier. When talking to friends, hold eye contact a bit longer. Step by step, it becomes natural. And here's the final secret most people never use. 6, the silence power. Next time you're talking, pause for a second and just hold eye contact. No words, that's silence. It makes people feel your confidence. You don't chase attention anymore. You attract it. Look, this is not about being perfect. It's about small changes. Because confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build, one habit at a time. So tonight, try this. When you talk to someone, just hold eye contact for 3 seconds. That's it. Don't overthink it. Let's build this together. Start with your eyes and watch how everything else changes.